Singapore. Ultra-clean streets, futuristic skylines, world-class food, efficient transport. A city that feels modern, safe, and perfectly organized. Singapore looks simple. Everything works. Everything is close. Everything is easy. But here's the truth most travelers discover too late. Without the right planning, Singapore can get expensive fast, crowded, and overwhelming, especially if it's your first time. Overpaying for food, missing the best hawker meals, using the wrong transport, breaking rules you didn't even know existed. That's why you're watching Hack Trip Easy, the channel that helps you travel smarter, save money, and avoid the mistakes most travelers make. In this episode, I'm sharing essential travel hacks you need to know before traveling to Singapore. How to get around cheaply, where to eat like a local, what to pack, how to avoid fines, how to save money, and how to enjoy Singapore without stress. So before you book that flight or land at Changi Airport, let's make your Singapore trip easy. Upon arrival at Changi Airport, plan to spend extra time exploring its facilities. Changi Airport offers a wide range of amenities and attractions for travelers. Consider the airport as a destination itself, not just a transit point. Allocate sufficient time to enjoy the unique experiences Changi Airport provides. Purchase a local SIM card upon arrival at Changi Airport. A local SIM or eSIM provides immediate data access. SIM card purchase offers a cost-effective connectivity solution. It ensures seamless communication throughout your stay. Avoid roaming charges with a local SIM or eSIM option. Before your trip, screenshot your hotel booking details as a precaution. Wi-Fi access isn't always guaranteed, so a backup is essential. A screenshot provides quick access to booking information offline. This ensures you have hotel details readily available upon arrival. Having a backup simplifies check-in and confirms your reservation. Singapore's Mass Rapid Transit, MRT, provides efficient city transportation. The MRT system is known for its cleanliness and speed. It offers an affordable way to navigate throughout the city. Consider the MRT for convenient and economical travel in Singapore. EasyLink cards offer a seamless payment method. They are designed for convenient use on public transport. Acquire an EasyLink card for easy transit payments. Net's FlashPay cards also provide similar functionality. Both cards streamline the payment process. Enjoy hassle-free travel with these payment solutions. For shorter distances, ride-hailing services like Grab can be more economical. Grab's pricing model often results in lower fares for short trips. Traditional taxis may have minimum fares that exceed Grab's initial charges. Consider distance when choosing between Grab and taxis for cost savings. Plan your commute strategically to avoid peak congestion times. Rush hour typically occurs from 7-9 a.m. and again from 5-7 p.m. Traveling outside these hours can significantly reduce travel time. Avoiding rush hour minimizes exposure to traffic and delays. When booking accommodation, location is key for easy access to attractions. Prioritize accommodations near MRT stations for convenient transportation. MRT proximity allows quick travel to various points of interest. Consider areas like Bugis, Chinatown, or Orchard for MRT access. These locations offer both accommodation and transport convenience. Capsule hotels and boutique hotels offer cost-effective lodging. Capsule hotels provide compact, individual sleeping pods. They are ideal for budget-conscious travelers. Boutique hotels offer stylish, unique accommodations. They often feature personalized service and design. Both are alternatives to traditional hotels. Singapore hotel rooms are generally smaller than those in other countries. Travelers should be aware of this difference when booking accommodations. Consider room dimensions when selecting a hotel. Smaller rooms may impact comfort, especially for longer stays. Factor in luggage space and movement within the room. Opt for slightly larger room categories if space is a priority. Before booking, read hotel reviews carefully. Pay attention to noise level comments. Consider reviews mentioning thin walls. Look for feedback on street noise. Check comments about air conditioning performance. Ensure AC meets your comfort needs. Hawker centers offer a budget-friendly dining option. Enjoy cheap and clean food at these local establishments. Hawker centers provide substantial savings on dining. Some hawker stalls even boast Michelin ratings. Experience authentic local cuisine without breaking the bank. Hawker centers are a must-visit for food lovers on a budget. Explore iconic hawker centers for diverse culinary experiences. Lau Pa Sat offers a variety of local dishes in a historical setting. Maxwell Food Center is known for its Hainanese chicken rice and other specialties. Chinatown Complex provides a wide array of affordable and authentic food options. To save money on daily meals, avoid restaurants in tourist zones. Tourist areas often have inflated prices due to high demand. Restaurants in these areas cater to tourists, not locals. This leads to higher costs compared to local eateries. Venture outside of tourist zones for more affordable options. Explore local neighborhoods for better value and authentic cuisine. Many hawker stalls primarily operate on a cash-only basis. It's advisable to carry sufficient cash when visiting these stalls. This ensures smooth and quick transactions for both parties. Not all stalls are equipped to process card payments. Cash remains the most reliable payment method. Singapore can be an expensive destination for travelers. Careful planning is essential for managing expenses effectively. Budgeting allows for predictable and controlled spending. Awareness of costs helps in making informed decisions. Strategic planning can make Singapore travel affordable. Using credit cards without foreign transaction fees can help avoid extra costs. Foreign transaction fees are charged when using a card internationally. These fees typically range from 1% to 3% of the transaction amount. Opting for a no-fee card saves money on international purchases. Airport ATMs provide convenient access to local currency upon arrival. They offer a safe and reliable method for currency withdrawal. Travelers can avoid the need to exchange currency beforehand. ATMs are readily available and easily accessible in airport terminals. Singapore's tap water is safe for consumption without further treatment. It meets or exceeds international drinking water standards. This eliminates the need to purchase bottled water for health reasons. Choosing tap water can be more environmentally friendly. Tap water is a cost-effective alternative to bottled water. Littering and smoking are prohibited in public areas. Strict enforcement of these rules is in place. Violators will be subject to fines. Adherence helps maintain a clean environment. Compliance ensures public health and safety. Respecting these regulations benefits everyone. Chewing gum is restricted in this country. Travelers should be aware of this regulation. Bringing chewing gum into the country is not advised. Adhering to this rule is important for compliance. Queuing is a deeply ingrained cultural norm in many societies. It represents an unspoken agreement for fair access and order. Always queue in designated lines to maintain social harmony. Respecting the queue demonstrates consideration for others. Adhering to queue etiquette helps prevent conflicts. Proper queuing contributes to a more civilized environment. Jaywalking is defined as pedestrians crossing streets illegally. It typically involves crossing outside designated crosswalks. Jaywalking is often prohibited by law to ensure pedestrian safety. Violators may be subject to fines or other penalties. Avoiding jaywalking is crucial for adhering to traffic regulations. Gardens by the Bay offers free light shows at night. Visiting at night allows enjoyment of these shows. The light shows are a free attraction. Experience the illuminated gardens. For sightseeing at Marina Bay Sands Sky Park, consider booking tickets online. Online booking can potentially save both time and money. This allows you to bypass ticket queues upon arrival. Online platforms may offer discounted rates compared to on-site purchases. Planning ahead ensures a smoother and potentially cheaper visit. Enjoy the panoramic views from the Sky Park observation deck. Singapore is efficient, safe, and incredibly rewarding when you travel prepared. Use public transport. Eat like a local. Respect the rules. Pack smart. And plan just enough to stay flexible. Singapore isn't about rushing, it's about enjoying how smoothly everything works. If this episode helped you, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring the bell so you never miss a Hack Trip Easy episode. Thanks for watching. Travel smart, enjoy Singapore, and I'll see you in the next adventure.